Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use the free AI job post generator on hirebestfreelance.com, completely free, no sign-up needed. First, go to hirebestfreelance.com/free AI job post generator. You will see a simple form on the left side. Start by entering your job title, then choose a category, select your experience level, job type, and duration. Next, add your key skills. Then write a short project description explaining what you need done. Choose your preferred tone and post length, add your email for applications, and click the Generate Job Post button. In just seconds, the AI creates a complete, professional job description, with responsibilities, required skills, compensation details, and how to apply. If you want changes, use the Refine box at the bottom to give instructions, and the AI will update it instantly. When you are happy, simply copy the text and paste it on Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, or your own website. You can also download it or regenerate a fresh version. It is fast, free, and perfect for startups, agencies, and freelance clients. Try it now at hirebestfreelance.com/free AI job post generator. Happy hiring!